after that heart transplant, he said, I really learned the lesson. He said, I learned the lesson to never judge someone. He said, because you see, he said, I have a woman's heart. She was a black woman. And she was a completely different denomination than what I am. He said, I've learned a tremendous lesson not to judge others. And he said, I'm so thankful to be alive. See, God does want us healthy. Believe it or not, he wants us healthy. You know, sometime we kind of get mixed up. You know, you'll hear people say, well, maybe it's God's will that I have this cancer. Maybe it's God's will that I'm depressed like this. Well, if it was truly God's will for us to be sick and depressed and hurting, then when Jesus came on this earth, he did everything against his Father's will because he healed people. He healed them physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. He healed them. There is not one part in the entire New Testament of the Bible where Jesus says, it's better for you to be sick. You know, it's like the leper. You know, he came to Jesus and he says, Master, if it's your will, I want to be healed. And Jesus reached out and touched him. He said, it is my will. He wants us to be healthy and happy.